Hi, my name is EthanHedgecock, and today we're going to be talking about misleading graphs. Misleading graphs are graphs that can make people believe something that isn't completely accurate. They use data that's real, technically, but they use it in a way that exaggerates the truth in many cases, or hides it completely. Let's talk about graphs, specific ones. This one.
This graph is misleading because the y-axis starts at 2.6 instead of 0.
That makes the increase look so much bigger than it actually is.
Let's take a look at this next one. Notice how the numbers all only range a few hundred, but the actual graphs are way more dramatic than that.
Then the numbers seem to be changing dramatically, but in reality,
Let's take a look at number 3. Now this graph is really misleading because the donut chart, for one, makes it hard to accurately compare the percentages, and the visual layout also emphasizes political groups instead of clearly showing the overall data. Misleading graphs are super dangerous because they influence our decisions and opinions. Businesses, media outlets, and politicians all use these kind of charts. They do this because they believe that these
Funky charts.
make their data look stronger. But when people actually look at the facts, they oftentimes don't want to know. There are a few ways that you can spot misleading graphs. First, check your axis and see if the scale starts at 0 and if the scaling is consistent. Second, you're going to want to see if there's any missing data. Third, you're going to want to look for these visual tricks. I'm talking about 3D graphs,
pictures,
or even exaggerated code.
As all of these might distort the original information.
In conclusion, graphs are a super powerful way to communicate information. But you also can't believe everything you see.